41. A cart is released from rest on an inclined plane at distance d away from a photo gate, as shown in the figure. The cart has a card of length L on top of it. The cart rolls down the incline with negligible friction. As the cart reaches the photo gate, the time delta t that the cart takes to pass through the photo gate is measured. Students then divide d by delta t, which yields the average speed of the cart through the photo gate. The students then square the average speed and divide by 2d to determine the acceleration of the cart. Which of the following corrections will allow the students to determine the acceleration from the data? Now, the part that I want to call to your attention is this. They say that the time delta t that the cart takes to pass through the photo gate is measured. Now, given that the card has a length L, then this time is actually the time for the card to pass through, but the card has a length L, which means that the average speed of the card through the photo gate should actually be obtained by dividing L by delta t. This means then that the following step, which was calculating the division of d by delta t, actually is not giving you the average speed of the cart through the photo gate. You should divide L by delta t. So, the one option that is actually telling you to do that is option C, divide L by delta t to determine the average speed. And so this is the correction that needs to be done in your experimental design.